Nigerians, please, we need your help. My cousin told me today that on the 15th of May, Boko Haram entered a school called JSS Musabiri in the local government Askara Uba in Borno State and kidnapped 45 children. And out of those 45 children, 6 of them are our cousins. A lot of these children are just 2 years old, 3 years old. The oldest is 20, and the youngest that was kidnapped is 1 year old, 5 months. We also had a cousin that was shot by Boko Haram because she was trying to run for her life. And instead of the governor of Borno State, Mr. Babagana Zulum, to actively try to rescue the life of these kids, he decided that it's best to give them 10 million naira. Please tell me, for the love of God, what is 10 million naira going to do? How is 10 million naira more important or better than the lives of these children? These children went to school to get a better life, to build a future, and Boko Haram came and picked them in the morning during the assembly, and all you can do, sir, is to give 10 million naira to the families of these children. Please, Nigerians, I beg of you, whatever you can do, whoever you can tag, share this video so we can try to rescue these children, so we can try and save their lives, because right now we don't know what's going on. These families are desperate. They're even planning on doing a protest in Borno State for these kids. Please, I'm begging you, Nigerians. These people do not have a voice, and that's why I'm using this platform to help them, to help and save the life of all these kids, not just my cousin, but all these kids. Please, I beg of you. Please tag the right people, share this video. We need your help. Enough is enough. We can't keep doing this. These families are desperate. They're in need of help, and all the governor was doing was giving money. That is, please, please, I beg of you, share this video. Thank you.
Every day in Nigeria, if you go out and come back home successfully, you don't know what God have done for you. Seriously. Even those in the house that did not go out, they are in danger. Not to talk of you that went out. Can you imagine now? Children go school. Sheikh Gumi children, they went there to go and baby nap children from school. Now, instead of the government to look for a way to get those children back, governor go carry 10 million, go give the family. For how many children una hear say the girl mention just now? 6 children. Out of the 40 something children that were baby napped, she talk say 6 of them na her cousin. So for the 6 children wey dem baby now, so government, governor go give the family 10 million. So e mean say how much come be like that now? 3 million for 2 children, 3 million for 2 children, 3 million for 2 children. That's 9 million. 9 million. That means each child is about 800,000 now. If there's a cost split am, 800,000 or 820,000 thereabout for each child, for 6 children. Shey na buy dem buy the children wey make governor go dey give dem 10 million naira. Na buy dem buy the children. So you mean to tell me now that 10 million naira is can equate the life of 6 children? Can 10 million naira even equate the life of one child? Women wey dem dey do surrogate, how much una dey collect for one pikin? To carry a child in your womb for 9 months and give birth to that child and give it to the family, how much dem dey pay surrogate mothers? Surrogate mothers make more than 10 million naira for one child. Den for a whole 6 children, governor dey bring 10 million. Hey God, this is a tragedy. Am I supposed to be laughing? No. Is the situation funny? No. But is the situation crazy? Yes, it is crazy. 6 children from one family. You can imagine what the parents of these children will be feeling right now. Say 6 of their children as little as 1 year 5 months. Maybe that one now dey daycare. E dey daycare. Maybe their mother dey work. They say make dem put the pikin for school. Then the next thing, pikin no come back house. Then the government is not doing anything. We are not talking about the one that happened in Oyo State recently, that they kpai the maths teacher. Those ones now till today, those ones have not been found. They have not been recovered. We are talking, this one happened in Borno State. Abi no be Borno State the girl talk just now. 40 something children taken, and government is offering 5 million naira for 6 children, 10 million for 6 children. Oh God, Nigeria. Tinubu, may you comot for there, may you let person wey go fit do dis one for me enter. Or if you know say okay, even as you dey now, before the 2027 presidential election, you cannot. Why don't you just seek help from nations that can help us contain? Because this is not a joke anymore. The truth is that until this insecurity start hitting Lagos back to back, I don't think they will take it serious. This kidnapping now, once e don enter Lagos now, they will do something about it. Until it enter Lagos, because e be like now say as dem dey do am for other states, dem dey feel say okay na lie or it's not serious or something until e gets to Lagos. Can you people imagine? Who is going to help us in Nigeria? Tinubu, why don't you just seek help? All the money wey you even dey borrow up and down. Today they go say you wan borrow 1 trillion, tomorrow 500 billion, the other day 500 million. Wetin you dey use this money dey do gangan? What is that main thing that you are? Because since you became a president, the truth is that I am not seeing anything tangible that you. In fact, you have not done anything. Nothing. Insecurity is the worst thing that has happened to our country. And with insecurity everywhere, what can we really do? Market people cannot go to the market. People now, I remember that time my girlfriend, every week na she dey go Onitsha. They go buy things. Who wan enter road dey go Onitsha these days? That time 4 a.m. they don enter road. Before 10 go now, she don tell me say we don reach market o. Before 4 o'clock in the evening, she don come back. She don go market come back. But now, you go comot for your house enter road, even for koro afternoon dem dey baby now, not to talk of say you wan comot around 4 a.m. Market people no fit go market, farmers no fit go farm. Nothing whatsoever is moving in Nigeria. And tomorrow you people will open your mouth and say it is a sovereign state. It's a sovereign country. Iran and Israel, where they fight war ever since. The number of people where they lose for that war, e not reach the one where we dey lose for 1 month for Nigeria. E not reach the one where we dey lose for 1 week for Nigeria. If they go carry 45 children for Borno, they carry 40 something children for Oyo. Now so different news every day. In 1 week, they baby nap more than 200 people for Nigeria. Yet you people are still shouting it is a sovereign state. You guys will hold on. It will soon enter Lagos. By the time you get to Lagos, those of you that are still shouting in Milokon, Tinubu is my brother, Tinubu must go for second term, body go tell una.